Hey everybody, welcome to Nature for Kids. Today we're going to be making a nature craft, a pinecone bird feeder.
Alright, you're going to need pine cones, cranberries, bird seed, sunflower seeds, peanut butter, a knife, a length of ribbon, and a glue gun. First, you're going to want to use your knife to spread the peanut butter all over the pine cone.
Okay, grab some seeds and sprinkle on top.
I did it, Mama!
Good job, bud. You can go like this too. Move your hand. You can take it and you can kind of roll it in there.
Oh, I want to do that.
Now add in the cranberries and the sunflower seeds. And lastly, hot glue the ribbon to the top of the pine cone. Now put it up in the tree for the little birdies to enjoy.
Bye.
Ho, 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 ho.